This is a video of my Chuggington diecast stack track collection, so please enjoy. Here's Wilson, Chug Patroller Wilson, Brewster, Chuggineer Brewster, Coco, Speed Fleet Coco, Action Chugger, Piper, Frostini, Jackman, Skylar, Hanzo, Zeffy, Chug Patroller Callie, Old Puffer Pete, Harrison, Speedy McAllister, Hodge, Cormac, Zach, Fletch, Tyne, Emery, Matombo, Deca, and Hoot and Toot. Those are the chuggers, but now here are my rolling stock. Boxcar, Digger Car, Popcorn Wagon, Hopper Car, the Cone Meister, Hanzo's Carriage, Animal Car, Chug Patrol 1, the Claw Car, Chug Patrol 3, the Firefighting Wagon, and 2 Stone Cars. And that is my Chuggington diecast stack track toy collection. I'm hoping to collect some more someday.